I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139, 13 and 14.
Today we're talking about a foundational part of self-care. It is something that many of us miss, and that is loving yourself. You are fundamentally God's creation.
Before we can truly pour into others or steward our lives well, we have to receive the truth that we are not accidents. We are intentionally designed by God.
Let's go straight to Scripture. Psalm 139, 13 through 14 says, "For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb."
That same Bible passage says, "I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well."
Wow, listen to that, knit me together. That's not mass production. That's personal, careful, loving craftsmanship. God took his time with you.
Exactly. Fearfully and wonderfully made doesn't mean we're perfect in the way the world defines perfection.
It means we're awe-inspiring works of God. The parts you criticize in the mirror, God says, that's my masterpiece.
When we reject ourselves, we're actually rejecting God's design. Self-hate, constant comparison, neglecting our bodies and minds is like telling the Creator, you didn't do a good job.
Loving yourself as God's creation starts with agreement. Agree with God about who you are. That's the most powerful form of self-care.
Start your day with a declaration. Look in the mirror and say out loud, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. God's works are wonderful, and that includes me. It feels awkward at first, but it renews your mind.
Thank God for your hands that can work, your legs that can walk, your mind that can think and dream. Even on hard days, find one thing to thank Him for.
Self-care isn't selfishness, it's stewardship. When you love what God has made, you're better able to love Him and love others.
So today, receive this truth. You are seen, known, and deeply loved by your Creator. Start loving yourself the way He loves you.
If this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Drop "I am wonderfully made" in the comments.
Thanks for joining us. You are God's masterpiece. Walk in that today. See you next time.
For you created my inmost being. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made.